Hey Art Nerds, we are going to be talking about the element of shape. Now, when we're talking about shape, we're talking about the enclosure of a two-dimensional space. And there are two big categories when we talk about shape. We have our geometric shapes. Now, you might think that the word geometric kind of sounds like geometry, and you are correct. And then we have organic. And you may hear that at the grocery store every now and then, talking about a certain type of food being organic, and you're also correct there. Now, when we talk about our geometric shapes, basically we can sum that up as our math shapes. We got our triangles, we got our squares, we have our circles, and we have all those other shapes that we learn in math class. And now these are shapes in which math is used to create them, and also they have common names like a square or a rectangle or a pentagon. And conversely, we have our organic shapes, and while these ones are very regular, these ones are often irregular and unpredictable and have a combination of these curves and straight edges and sharp corners. And a lot of times these organic shapes also resemble things that we see in nature. And that's why sometimes we call organic shapes nature shapes. So these are the two big types of shapes that we'll be talking about. And in your exercise, what we have here is you need to identify with color which of these shapes here on the page are organic, which are geometric. And geometric shapes, you'll be shading in green, and organic shapes will be shading in orange. G, orange, orange to help you remember. And then at the bottom half of this page, you are going to be creating a drawing that only uses geometric shapes. Okay, so you can't combine it, just do one or the other. Okay, and then in that second one, that's where you use just the organic shapes to create an image. And you can do whatever you want. You can try to create a self-portrait. You could try drawing the same thing in both. Maybe I'm trying to draw a house with organic shapes and then a house with geometric shapes. You can do whatever you want as long as you're using only geometric and only organic in those spaces provided. So I hope this is helpful, and have fun experimenting with shape.